Okay, guys, I just thought I would come on and do a very quick audio because I have some news to share with you guys. A lot of you have asked me if I had any update when it comes to Vanessa Reiser and Louie Ruelas court hearing regarding the temporary restraining order. So, from what I've heard, they had a hearing recently, and apparently it was very brief, very short, and from what I could gather, the temporary restraining order did not get extended, and that it was not, the hearing was very brief and not in favor of Vanessa. So I don't know if this will actually play out in the next season of The Real Housewives of New Jersey. I don't know if we're going to see Louie and Teresa go to court regarding the temporary restraining order. But that's the information that I was able to gather when it comes to an update on the temporary restraining order between Vanessa Reiser and Louie Ruelas. Now, speaking of Vanessa Reiser, a few episodes ago, I talked about this on one of my podcasts. And, recently, David Yontef had Bodito on his podcast, and he was speaking very highly of him, and it seems like it was a very good interview for him because now, ever since that he has met with Bodito, it seems like they have developed a friendship and that they talk regularly on the phone or via text, excuse me. So I don't know if you guys recall, but I did say, I wonder how Vanessa feels about that because, Kim D has been saying on the podcast Behind the Velvet Rope, that she is on there every week with David and she gives her take and her opinion on things. So Kim has said on multiple occasions that her and Vanessa were friends and were communicating, right? So I don't know how Vanessa may have felt by having Bodito on the show with David. Kim D was not part of the interview. It was just between David and Bo. But I don't know. I can only assume that she must have felt some sort of way and maybe potentially seen it as some sort of betrayal, right? Because Kim D is her friend. So